Dear learners, welcome to my first lecture on spoken English. In today's lecture, I will cover the importance of spoken English or oral English. You know that English is an international language, and without it, in many cases or in many situations or in many steps of our life, we will not be able to overcome. So to overcome the barriers or hurdles of life, we need to learn spoken English. And that spoken English is not only important in your country, it is also important internationally. If you go to different countries, then obviously English will be a very important tool for you. Right, so today I will cover that in which ways that spoken English is important. First of all, I would like to mention that if you live in Bangladesh or wherever, you may study in colleges or universities, and nowadays a lot of presentations the students need to provide or need to give in front of the teachers in English. And if your spoken English or oral English is good, then there is a high possibility of getting good marks in the presentation. So first of all, you need to learn English for doing better in the presentation in schools or colleges. The second thing I would like to mention, that study abroad. Nowadays it's a common trend that students are going abroad and they are studying, they are getting their degrees from there, and at some point they plan to live there as well. So whatever you want to do, if you want to study or if you want to live, you need to learn English. In that case, you need to learn IELTS or TOEFL, these kinds of internationally recognized courses. And after that, I would like to mention that you finished your studies, you have learned English, and then if you face if you go for a job interview, then the interviewers might ask you questions in English, and if your English is better, there is a high possibility, trust me, to get that job. And maybe you got that job, somehow you got that job and your English was okay, so and with that English maybe you may get the job. Maybe you have got brothers or sisters, or you may have some relatives, or sometimes don't take it other ways. Sometimes some nepotism take place during interviews or to get the job. But to get promoted, you need to speak really good spoken English, or you need to produce good oral English. So to get the better job and also to get promoted, you need to learn spoken English. After that, what I would like to mention, that to emigrate. Nowadays we see that a lot of people are trying to settle in different countries like Australia, Canada, USA, UK. But if you want to settle there, you also need to sit for IELTS exam, and you may need a score minimum 6, and to get 6 your English should be better. So that English even may change your life, may not only for your life, maybe there will be an impact of your English to your future generation, to your progeny. Right, so after immigrate, the next thing I would like to the next important matter is for your family members. Maybe you are in Bangladesh, maybe for example, and if you are good at English, then you may teach English to your brothers, your sisters, or if you are a parent, then you can also teach your sons and daughters. So their basic will be developed if your basic in English is better. So English for everybody, for family members, maybe for relatives, maybe for friends as well. Right? And after that, I would like to mention that to represent your country abroad. I will cover something later on, not today, that how important that thing is. If you really love your country, then you need to speak good English when you are in abroad. the people of the native speakers, if they come across that you speak really good English, then they will have a good or positive thinking about your country. So please do that if you love your country. Okay. After that, last but not the least, that to show your smartness. If you want to be smart with your friends, then speak good English. Then your acceptance level will go higher. Alright guys, so these are the things I have mentioned, and also there are many other ways, alright, various branches of English that I will cover in my next lectures. Thank you for today.